Improve your English. My days in December. In December, my days are filled with joy and warmth as I navigate through a festive wonderland with my family and friends. The month kicks off with decorating our home, twinkling lights adorning the tree, colorful ornaments hanging, and the scent of pine filling the air. Together, we create a cozy haven that radiates the spirit of the season. As the days unfold, family traditions come alive. Baking cookies becomes a delightful affair as we gather in the kitchen, sharing laughter and stories, while the aroma of cinnamon and vanilla wafts through the air. The cookie decorating session turns into a friendly competition of who can create the most festive and delicious treat. Frequent trips to the local December market become a cherished routine. Amidst stalls adorned with handmade crafts and the sweet melody of holiday tunes, we shop for unique gifts. The joy of finding the perfect present for each family member and friend fills my heart with happiness. One of the highlights of December is our annual family movie night. Snuggled in blankets, we watch timeless classics and new holiday releases, savoring popcorn and hot cocoa. The flickering glow of the Christmas tree provides the perfect backdrop to this cherished bonding time. The spirit of giving extends beyond our immediate family. Together with friends, we participate in community events and charity drives, spreading kindness and warmth to those in need. Whether it's donating toys, volunteering at local shelters, or simply sharing a meal with neighbors, the act of giving becomes a central theme in our December narrative. Amidst the festive hustle and bustle, we also find moments of serenity. Walking through quiet neighborhoods adorned with twinkling lights, we marvel at the simplicity and beauty of the season. December nights are spent stargazing, sharing dreams, and appreciating the calm that settles over our world during this magical time. The crescendo of December reaches its peak on Christmas Eve. Our home is filled with the scent of roasting chestnuts and the sound of carolers serenading our street. The anticipation of Christmas morning adds a delightful excitement to the air, and we exchange heartfelt gifts under the glow of the tree. As December bids farewell and the new year approaches, I reflect on the month's moments, the shared laughter, the warmth of togetherness, and the kindness spread. In the tapestry of December memories, family and friends are woven as the threads that make this season truly magical. In December, I reflect on my achievements, looking back at how much I've succeeded in my goals. It's a moment of pride and joy. I take time to celebrate the small victories and lessons learned. As the year comes to a close, I also set new goals for the next year. It's a time of fresh beginnings and exciting possibilities, as I eagerly anticipate the adventures and growth that the coming year will bring. As December gracefully bows out, it leaves behind a trail of memories, both big and small. The twinkling lights and festive melodies slowly fade, but the warmth of family gatherings and the joy of shared moments linger. It's a month that invites reflection, a gentle reminder to appreciate the journey of the past year. As I bid farewell to December, I carry with me the lessons learned, the laughter shared, and the love that illuminated each day. With a heart full of gratitude, I step into the dawn of a new year, eager to embrace fresh opportunities and create more beautiful December memories in the chapters yet to unfold. I would like to know from which country you are watching us. I would like to know how you enjoy December. I hope you enjoyed this story. Share this story with others for learning English. Have a nice day.